Welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to talk about an important topic that is widely circulated across social media platforms and a lot of people are speaking. The topic is, are international students facing discrimination when it comes to get a rental property? So I'm going to share my 2 cents because I have spoken to some people, those who are international students, and they have expressed their views, their concerns to me. So before I proceed further, if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? Just hit on the subscribe button. Okay, it's absolutely free of cost and it helps me a lot. So guys, I spoke to some international students and they did say that they find it very difficult nowadays to get a good rental property. Lot of them are struggling. Some like we saw a piece of article in a newspaper where a girl from India had to stay in a den. Some people like rooming houses they are living, and in worst, like some international students in North Bay were living in tents. One student was found in Scarborough living under the bridge. So these things are there, but when it comes to get a rental property, I spoke to some and they said that they are facing discrimination because a lot of people, they just deny. The moment they find you are an international student, they say no, they don't want. Now what is the actual reason for it? Well, there are, in every apple basket, there are few bad apples, but because of these bad apples others get impacted too, and that is exactly what is happening over here based on my analysis. Like if you search on YouTube or any other social media platform about international students rental issues and all, you will find some videos that are horrible. Like some international students rented a house and they just literally trashed it completely, and that is hitting them hard. Recently, and that's not just the only video, there are few more, but again that total number, if you get the percentage, that's low, but it is trying to make a general perception among people that if I rent my house to if I rent my property to international students, they are going to trash it. Another thing that's happening, like recently we saw a video in the city of Brampton where a student had a lease on his name. He brought in more than 20 people and they were not paying rents for a few months. So these are also adding concerns. Like if they rent it to, let's say, 2 or 3 people, okay, 2 or 3 students, tomorrow they may bring in 10, 15. This is a huge concern that is currently being faced by a lot of landlords, and that's being impacted on their rental availability. And like I spoke to one of my friends, he has a house, he recently rented his basement, but he said no to students. Instead, and because of these reasons, people are generally looking for families and all. There are other reasons too, like nowadays, because of all LTB issues, landlords want to play safe, and they want to rent to people, those who have good earning and also, very important, high credit score, because people don't want to compromise. Those who have good credit history, credit score, they don't want to compromise their credit score. So that is why like for an international student who has just come to the country, he has no credit history, right? So that is also like making them difficult to get a rental unit. And a lot of landlords, especially small landlords, you would say, they do reference check. So as an international student who has just arrived, how would you get local reference for your previous rental history? So a lot of them are like struggling, no doubt. It's not that everyone is going through this pain. It varies case by case, but a lot of them are struggling, no doubt, and going through this pain. So hopefully once our rental housing crisis is resolved or controlled, we'll have better situation. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.